Hello guys, it is my pleasure to welcome you to my channel Lazer Graphics and Multimedia. My name is Rafi Yakub, and in this video I'm going to teach you guys how to delete your Facebook business page easily right from your phone without any stress. Okay, so before we get to the practical started, if you are very new to this channel, please remember to subscribe to the channel, and also don't forget to hit on the notification bell icon so that whenever I upload video content about Facebook marketing or Facebook business page tutorial, you'll be able to get notified and watch the video. All right, so like I said earlier guys, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Facebook business page right from your phone without going to PC or laptop. Okay, so let's get to the practical started. So the first thing you need to do is to access your Facebook business page. So I'm going to click on it right away. Alright, so having opened up your Facebook business page, so Facebook account, so the next step actually is to locate your interruption. So let me make another screenshot. So you can access your Facebook page from this point. Okay, so I'm going to click on it right now. Now this is going to open up. So all the pages you have is going to be listed here. Okay, so now I'm going to delete one out of all these pages. So I'm going to delete this one here. Okay. So having selected the page, the particular page you need to delete. So the next step you have to take, let me screenshot. So you have to click on this setting icon here. So now it's open up like this. Then you have to click on General. Then when you click on General, you have to scroll down and see the instruction here. Here is instruction. You can see delete digital marketing masterclass. But before that, there are things you need to consider. Deleting your page means that nobody will be able to see or find it. Once you click delete, you will have 14 days to restore it in case you change your mind after that. You will be asked to confirm whether to delete it permanently. So these are the information, these are the instructions before you can decide to remove your page or delete your page on Facebook. So in this regard, I'm going to click on delete digital marketing masterclass. So they're going to ask you the information right here. Okay. So here is the delete page. I'm going to click on it right away. So I'm going to click on delete page. Boom. Page enter deletion mode. You can cancel deletion within 14 days. So this is how everything is done. Easily, without stressing yourself, you can, within a few minutes, you can just delete your unwanted Facebook business page without any stress. If you guys find value for this video, give this video a big thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more interesting tutorial about Facebook advertisement or Instagram advertisement or Facebook tips and tricks as far as this channel is concerned. So I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.